Welcome to Rupam Gyan. Today we will be doing topic items and phrases. In this we will be making sentence from items. Here are a few examples. First example, a breeze, meaning easy. Sentence, riding a tricycle is such a breeze. Next example, a dime a dozen, meaning common and available anywhere. Sentence, corrupt cops are dime a dozen in the city. Next example, a field day, meaning a very enjoyable time. Sentence, my children had a field day at carnival. Next example, a hell of time, meaning a difficult or exciting experience. Sentence, her grandmother had a hell of a time trying to connect to the internet. Next example, a little bird told me, meaning someone told me a secret. Sentence, a little bird told me that you are getting a divorce. Next example, a lot on my plate, meaning very busy. Sentence, I have got a lot on my plate tonight. I don't think I won't finish until midnight. Next example, a penny for your thoughts, meaning ask for advice. Sentence, could I have a penny for your thoughts? I don't know how to solve this problem. Next example, a whale of a time, meaning an exciting experience. Sentence, the family had a whale of a time at the theme park. Next example, ace in the hole, meaning a hidden strength or advantage. Sentence, they will win the game since their rocky goalkeeper is an ace in the hole. Next example, Achilles heel, meaning someone's weakness. Sentence, vodka is his Achilles heel. He only loses his composure when he drinks it. Next example, add insult to injury, meaning worsen an unfavorable situation. Sentence, see, she added insult to injury by picking her little brother's ice cream off the dirty floor and sticking it in his mouth. Next example, ahead of time, meaning earlier than the deadline. Sentence, finish your work ahead of time so you can enjoy your hobbies. Next example, all hands on deck, meaning everyone helps is needed. Sentence, we need all hands on deck if we want to reduce carbon emission. Next example, all the rage, meaning popular. Sentence, those new shoes are all the rage these days. Next example, an arm and a leg, meaning very expensive. That new car cost an arm and a leg. Next example, ant in your pants, meaning anxious or nervous. Sentence, Adri had ants in his pants before taking his exam. Next example, apple of my eye, meaning an adored person. Sentence, my precious daughter is the apple of my eye. Next example, around the clock, meaning without stopping. Sentence, the pharmacy is open around the clock. It never closes. Next example, as white as a sheet, meaning a very fearful or anxious. Sentence: Apu went as white as a sheet when he saw Anubhav get shot. Next example: at the drop of a hat, meaning instantly. Sentence: At the drop of a hat, I called my sister when I heard she was pregnant.